Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Kunama-disappointments obvious bafethu ku-squad saka-Hugo Bros asiselekthile, but guess what, we are looking at the future yaBafana Bafana ukuthi ingashaypheka kanjani for the next 10 years or so. Ngibheka abadlali abano-22 or less, 23 if ngathi mdala umdlali, but-ke le kungaba i-future yaBafana Bafana. Abadlali esingababheka ukuthi in the near future yibo abazoba ama-full time kuBafana Bafana, bakwazi ukuba ama-leader. Abanye already bakuBafana Bafana, but ngizo-add-a nabanye kule list le 20 something youngsters bafethu abazolida iBafana Bafana. Mfundo Vilakazi we-Kaizer Chiefs, that's for sure uzoba khona ukulida iBafana Bafana. UShabalala naye he will grow to be a player akwazi laphana kuba kuBafana Bafana. Phuso Dithejana we-TS Galaxy naye uzoba khona bafethu. Well, kuzobonakala ngokuthi baphatha kanjani, but-ke bane-potential. Ngithi ngibabale bonke nje ngibabhalile kule list yami. uMahlambi we-TS Galaxy, uMbekezeli Mbokazi Orlando Pirates, uRile Mofokeng, uNdamane we-TS Galaxy, uNkotha, Kgomolemo Kekana weMamelodi Sundowns, uSibiya weMamelodi Sundowns, uMabhena, uKhoza, bonke iMamelodi Sundowns, noLitlaku, and then noLitlapa, uVuyo Litlapa odlalela iSkhukhune United, ugood kakhulu. Singamkhohlwa-ke uNeo Rapoor odlalela iSwelele FC, strong kakhulu umjida laphana ku-left back, uyakwazi ukudlala i-wing back na even offensively uyakwazi ukusiza kakhulu. And then one of the most exciting forwards eSouth Africa, u-Emil Witbooi, strong kakhulu umfethu, siyambona even nalapha ku-under 17 FIFA World Cup, man of the match, udlala kahle kakhulu. And then khona iplayer exciting bafethu, u-April udlalela i-Cape Town City, exciting umfethu laphana ku-under 20, is the one for the future. Naye singambala kubadlali esingaba-expect ukuthi bazokwazi ukulida iBafana Bafana. And then kuno-goalkeeper uFletcher lo we-under 20 lo dlala laphana ePortugal, uye-ke umdlali kumele ngabe-ke uyakhula laphana kuBafana Bafana. Hugo Bros methi uselect abantu based on i-future, bekumele aselect yena-ke laphana ku-goalkeeper. Khona i-defender kuthiwa uSmith udlalela i-QPR, naye ubuya laphana eCape Town bafethu, but mayese laphana eNgilandi ku-second division yakhona i-championship, udlalela one of the most iconic teams which is i-QPR. And then khona umdlali laphana uMagidigidi, ayifi senike nambona bafethu weSwelele. Yabona iSwelele asinaplan, but uye kuphela, in fact is currently their best player in terms of ukwenza iplan. Ushaya ama-assist, uyakora, wenza everything nje ongayicabanga, uhlakaniphe kakhulu umdlali. And then khona bafethu uTokolo odlalela iSkhukhune United, i-defender, already unama-man of the match laphana ku-Betway Premiership, i-defender eligood kakhulu lela. And then khona u-Alwande Poison, siyazi ukuthi una-17, udlalela i-Golden Arrows, omunye exciting mawumbheka udlala kahle kakhulu umfethu, just obvious kumele adevelop to the highest level. Then we have a 22-year-old uSiyanda Ndlovu, naye currently is the best player ku-PSL because uwinele award leli i-player of the month. Udlala kahle kakhulu, assist, ama-goals, une-flair, una-everything, can take players on. Then khona uSamkelo Maseko una-23, udlalela laphana i-Durban City. Yes, udlalela i-Durban City, ushaya number 10, akasabi ukuthatha ama-players on. Umdlalo exciting kakhulu bafethu, omunye I think singapredict-a ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe uzoyithola opportunity kuBafana Bafana, but kuzoya ngokuthi i-career yomfana ihamba kanjani. But Yubo is one of the most exciting players ku-Betway Premiership at the moment. Then uBheki Mabuza udlalela eMarumo Gallants, already unamagoli laphana ku-Betway Premiership, is the first player yokushaya igoli ku-Betway Premiership this season. Une-assist against i-Orlando Pirates, khona igoli elihle alishaya laphana out of 18, so umdlali ngempela alright. And then uVersatile, ukwazi ukudlala both ama-wing, whether i-right wing, i-left wing, ucoach nje uyakwazi ukumswitcha ngapha nangapha, so umdlalo ubaluleke kakhulu. Umuntu akalahlwa, uThapelo Maseko usasemncane bafethu, izinto zakhe, ama-fortunes wakhe angashintsha, still angaba khona laphana kuBafana Bafana, lead i-future yeBafana Bafana. Siyazi ukuthi seyidlale no-AFCON, udlala ama-competition amakhulu, but-ke mncane umfethu, kumele nje i-mindset ibe different. Sibone ukuthi kuMamelodi Sundowns ngeke bamenzele iplan na, if bayamlona or bayamthengisa, if abanalo iplan lakhe. Then kunomdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns bafethu exciting kakhulu omncane, lo shaya 4 goals ku-DDC, team, then bampromota same time to first team. UBennett Mokoena, what a player, a good number 9, a finisher, ene-flair, everything ungayicabanga. And then uhlongwane unaledi Hlongwane we-Kaizer Chiefs naye uyi-striker but different, esikwazi ukuhold ibhola, inviting defenders, drawing defenders for the team. Confidence kumfana omncane, so mbona laphana ku-Carling All Star, bazomvotela ngoba ukhona one of the leaders in terms of amavote. And then soya eCape Town noma ngithi ku-Stellenbosch khona uLangelihle Phili. There's something about yena mawumbukela umdlali, there's something special about yena ukuthi obvious when you are young you just have to grow your game to the next level, consistency, and stay grounded and humble, just keep working. Bonke labadlali engibabalile bane-potential, bakhona I'm sure abanye abe-exciting kakhulu engingakababali kufana nabo oThulani Touch Mabaso, exciting midfielder for i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana. Yeah, uSibiya, asiye kuSibiya bafowethu. uSibiya i-left back laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, naye uqeda ukuthola first team contract, but mostly udlala ku-DDC team, but is one of the best left backs in the country considering the fact that udlala kahle kakhulu for under 20 all over the world, bayambheka naye. Fortunately or unfortunately Mamelodi Sundowns emnikisini ya contract akayi ndawo unless bazomlona. But I saw something from some of Mamelodi Sundowns fanatics bathi abafana if ngeke badlaliswe because ba-super talented, even nabo Kekana ababahambise or babenzele i-plan because they can't just stay laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns bangacontribute, bangenzi lutho. Yeah, they have to try and make i-plan for abafana because of ba-super talented, banali-talent, but konke kulele kuphi ethimini ukuthi banikwe ama-opportunities, bakwazi ukuziprova ukuthi bazowathatha lawo ma-opportunities or ngeke bawathatha ama-opportunities apresentwa laphana kubo. But yeah, i-future i-bright for i-South African football. It's just that ukuthi when you have ama-players anje, a different caliber of players, you have to create something and make sure ukuthi are protected ama-player. The most important thing is to protect ama-youngsters. You know why? Ama-youngsters are all over the place bafowethu. Sometimes obviously fame na everything it gets to them. So if these youngsters bangakwazi ibhola lase-South Africa as a whole ukuba-protector, nanokuthi babafake kuma-systems a-right ukuthi bakwazi ukufocusa ku-game. Hugo Broos ngambona ekhuluma nama-under 20 laphana e-airport, ekhuluma indaba ukuthi they just have to focus for the next 10 years. Ibhola lizotshintsha impilo yabo, bazotravel umhlaba and do like great things just njengebhola. So i-main focus for bona bafethu kumele kube ibhola, okunye kuzoza after. Ibhazi nomsindo nefemi nokuthi osibanibani wazi ubani, these players could easily be developed to world class. I mean ama-player engiwabalile la afana nabo Vilakazi already seba-exposed to emhlabeni, umhlaba wonke uVilakazi uyamazi from i-World Cup. Mbokazi naye is already established himself as one of the best defenders e-Africa, sekadume nase-Nigeria. So siyazi ukuthi already seka-full laphana kuBafana, but guess what, usazoba khona for years and years and years. But into important for uMbokazi ukuphatha kahle, akukho okuzobhitha ukuphatha kahle nokuhlonipha. uRileem Mofokeng naye already ukhona laphana kuBafana. I think yena noMbokazi bazoba ama-leader we-new generation lezos, because of already bane-experience laphana kuBafana. Ndamane Kaizer Chiefs development, lapha ku-TS Galaxy play i-defender likhama eli-exciting. Even uNkotha, I think uNkotha because of sedlala le-Saudi Arabia uyi-millionaire. I think amanye ama-player even iy'ntanga zakhe bangakwazi ukubukela kuye ukuthi okay, if lo angakwenza lokhu nathi singakwenza. Indaba kaLetlaku asazi ukuthi uzohlala for how long uMamelodi Sundowns because i-agency yakhe ike yasho ukuthi ufuna ama-teams wase-Europe and bacabanga ukuthi kungaba i-good move for umfana ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ingamgcini ku-Betway Premiership noma ngithi ku-PSL. I think ama-player amaningi lawa adlalela ama-team amancane layo engiwabalile la, I think in the next year or two bazobadlalela ama-big teams. Ngingabala April, I don't think uzoba ku-Cape Town City next year. Khona u-Ashene bafowethu, singamkhohlwa u-Ashene naku-Cape Town City. I-Cape Town City namaMamelodi Sundowns besebavumelene i-deal yomdlali because of u-super exciting, only for yena ukuyi-rejecta ngama-last minute. Cabanga u-rejecta iMamelodi Sundowns uyayizwaphi? Umdlali una-20 or 19, 20 lapho, but u-rejecta iMamelodi Sundowns athi akayifuni. And then i-Cape Town City ivele yagula yahlanya same time ukuthi hayi bo, nangu umuntu esiluzisa ama-million because of bona bafuna ukuba nemali yokuthenga i-status back to i-P_S_L. Fortunately-ke washayina uthi akayi kuMamelodi Sundowns, but yeah, he's one of the most exciting players. Sikhumbule ukuthi laphana ku-under 20 ku-AFCON ushaye one of the best goals of the tournament, alishaya kahle kakhulu. So unayo i-good shooting range. Obvious umdlalo usadevelopha naye to the highest level, but yeah, i-potential siyayibona ikhona, hayi kancane kakhulu futhi. I think umuntu engaba one of the biggest stars ku-South African football uNdlovu Siyanda Ndlovu we-Golden Arrows. Hayi, what a player, what a player. But i-chance yakhe enkulu angaya ku-Orlando Pirates because of i-Golden Arrows ne-Orlando Pirates bane-relationship esolid bafethu, untouchable. So singambona maybe umdlali laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, but-ke ya kuzoya ngaye ukuthi ufunani yena as an individual. Ngicela ukuzibamba la bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure bafethu ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.